Hello students, so this question is taken from chapter Matter in Our Surroundings. So students, whenever a diver can cut through the water in a swimming pool, then which characteristic of matter does this observation show us? Our first option is intermolecular forces are strong. Our second option is intermolecular forces are not strong. Our third option is there is no forces present, and our last option is none of these. If we look at the solution of this question, then the space is basically that is present between two or more molecules of a substance is called, students, the intermolecular spaces. And if we talk about the intermolecular forces, then the forces of attraction between the molecules of a substance, these are the strongest in solids, and it is the weakest if we talk about in the gaseous state. And liquids have intermolecular forces stronger than gases, but it is weaker than liquids. So by this, students, the higher the intermolecular forces, the lower will be the intermolecular spaces will be there. Therefore, the intermolecular spaces of gases are the most and that of solids are the least. And if we talk about the intermolecular spaces of liquid, students, then they are less than that in gases and more than that in solid. If we see here, a diver jumps into the water with some force, and this force is enough to displace the water due to the presence of many intermolecular spaces. And this won't be possible if a person jumps on a solid like road, students, as it has the least intermolecular spaces, whereas a person can casually walk through the air as it has the most intermolecular spaces. So students, because of all the reasons that we have seen here, the correct answer for this question will be our option number B. Whenever we talk about liquid, students, then liquid have a moderate intermolecular space. That's why they not have the strongest intermolecular forces of attraction. That's why, students, a diver can cut through the water in a swimming pool because their intermolecular forces are not strong. So I hope, students, this explanation is clear to you. So see you all in our next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.